What are functions in programming?
Functions are reusable blocks of code designed to perform specific tasks. By using functions, programmers organize code, avoid repetition, and solve problems step by step. Functions take input, process data, and may return an output. This structure makes programs easier to read, debug, and maintain. Understanding how functions work is fundamental to coding in almost any programming language.
Defining parameters and functions.
Parameters are placeholders for data that you want a function to process. When you define a function, you specify its parameters inside the parentheses. These act as variables, allowing your function to accept different values each time it's called. For example, in Python, def add x defines x and y as parameters for the add function.
What are arguments?
The arguments are the actual values you pass to a function's parameters when you call it. If you have a function add xy and you call it as add 3, 5, then 3 and 5 are the arguments. Arguments can be numbers, text, variables, or other data. Providing the right arguments allows your function to perform its job with different inputs.
The relationship between parameters and arguments.
Parameters and arguments work together. Parameters are the names used in the function definition, while arguments are the values supplied during the function call. For every parameter, there should generally be a corresponding argument. This connection lets functions process different data each time, making programs flexible and powerful.
Common mistakes and tips.
A key point is not to confuse parameters and arguments. Remember, parameters are in the function definition. Arguments are what you send in when you use the function. Also, ensure you pass the correct number of arguments to match the parameters. Familiarize yourself with default parameter values, which let you call functions with fewer arguments if defaults are set.